Yo, what's up everyone? It's Santanu and let's talk tech careers. Think your degree guarantees you a high-paying IT job? Think again. There's a lot of outdated advice floating around out there, and honestly, some of it's just straight up wrong. We're talking myths that could be holding you back from landing your dream tech job. There are three big lies about IT careers that almost everyone believes, and they might be holding you back. These misconceptions about needing a CS degree, being a coding whiz, or having years of experience can be seriously intimidating. But trust me, it's not as bleak as it seems. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly that how to build a successful IT career without falling for these myths. If you want real career advice that works, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into it with lie number 1. You need a computer science degree to get into IT. Now don't get me wrong, a CS degree can be valuable, but it's not the only path to a successful tech career. In fact, some of the biggest names in tech, people like Elon Musk and Bill Gates, they didn't even finish college, let alone get a CS degree. And you know what? They are not alone. Over 50% of developers out there are self-taught or come from completely unrelated fields. They learn their skills through online courses, coding boot camps, or just by diving in and building projects. Here's the thing, hiring managers, they really care about one thing, your skills. Can you deliver results? Can you code? Can you solve problems? That's what matters. They want to see what you can do, not just what piece of paper you have. And honestly, the industry is shifting. Even tech giants like Google, Apple, and IBM, they're starting to drop the college degree requirement for many of their roles. They recognize that talent comes from all kinds of backgrounds. So instead of stressing about a degree, focus on building a killer portfolio. Create projects, put your code on GitHub, get certified in the skills that employers are looking for. That's going to speak volumes more than a degree ever could. Now, I know some of you might disagree, and that's cool. Let's have a conversation about it. Do you think degrees still matter in IT? Hit the comments and let me know. Yes or no? Let's move on to lie number 2. And this one's a big one. You must be a coding genius to get a tech job. Look, I get it. Coding can seem intimidating, but here's the truth. Not all IT careers require you to be a coding ninja. In fact, there are tons of high-paying tech jobs out there that involve zero coding whatsoever. And these aren't just entry-level positions. We're talking about roles with serious earning potential. Take cloud architects, for example. These are the masterminds behind cloud infrastructure, working with platforms like AWS and Azure. They need to understand cloud concepts, security, and architecture, but they don't necessarily need to write code. Then you have cybersecurity analysts, the digital detectives who protect organizations from cyber threats. They analyze security systems, investigate breaches, and implement security measures. Again, coding isn't always a primary requirement. And let's not forget about enterprise architects. These folks are responsible for aligning an organization's IT strategy with its business goals. They need a deep understanding of business processes, IT systems, and how to bridge the gap between the two. And of course, there's always the world of project management and agile methodologies. Scrum Masters, project managers, they are in high demand, and while they need technical understanding, their focus is on leadership, communication, and driving projects to success. The point is, coding is just one piece of the puzzle. Yes, it's an incredibly valuable skill, but it's not the be-all and end-all of a tech career. Focus on problem solving, understanding IT systems, and developing strong communication skills. Those are the foundations of a successful tech career, regardless of your coding abilities. So tell me, which IT job are you aiming for? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see what everyone's interested in. Alright, let's tackle lie number 3. And this one's a classic catch-22. Experience matters more than certifications. It's the age-old dilemma. You need experience to get a job, but you need a job to get experience. So how do you break into the industry? Well, here's the secret. Certifications can be your golden ticket. In today's competitive job market, many companies are actually prioritizing certifications over years of experience, especially for entry-level roles. Why? Because certifications prove you have the specific skills they're looking for. It's a standardized way to demonstrate your knowledge and abilities, and it shows employers you're serious about your career. So which certifications should you go for? Well, it depends on your interests, but here are a few great options to get you started. For cloud enthusiasts, the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is a great foundation. It covers the basics of AWS cloud concepts and gives you a solid understanding of cloud computing. If cybersecurity is your thing, the CompTIA Security Plus is a must-have. It's a globally recognized certification that validates your knowledge of cybersecurity principles and practices. For those who prefer a more hands-on technical role, the Google IT Support Certificate is a fantastic option. It's beginner-friendly and teaches you the fundamentals of IT support, from troubleshooting to networking. And if you're interested in enterprise architecture, the TOGAF Foundation certification is a great place to start. It introduces you to the TOGAF framework, a widely used standard for enterprise architecture. The beauty of certifications is that they can open doors to internships, freelance projects, and even job referrals. They give you a competitive edge and help you stand out from the crowd. So don't let the experience trap hold you back. Invest in yourself, get certified, and watch your career take off. And while you're at it, let me know in the comments which IT certification you're going for. So, there you have it. The 3 biggest lies about IT careers debunked. Now that you know the truth, it's time to take action. Don't let these outdated myths hold you back any longer. The tech industry is full of opportunities, and with the right skills and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Forget these outdated myths and start learning real skills that actually get you hired. Whether you're passionate about cloud computing, cybersecurity, or any other area of IT, there's a path for you. Focus on building your skills, showcasing your talents, and networking with other professionals. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more IT career hacks. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to every one of them. Let's keep the conversation going, and I'll see you in the next video.